Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to change your Dashlane master password. First, log into your Dashlane account in your browser using your current master password. Open your web app, then click on your profile in the upper right corner to go to Settings, then the Security section, and scroll down until you find Authentication. Under Authentication, click on View Options, where you'll find the Change Master Password button. You'll be asked to enter your current password and then your new one twice. After you submit, Dashlane will start encrypting your data with the new password. This may log you out of all your devices. You'll need to log back in on each device using your new master password and verify via email or 2FA if needed. Be aware that changing your master password invalidates your previous account recovery key and disables biometric recovery until you enable it again. You'll need to set up a new recovery key if you want that option. And that's how you change your Dashlane master password. Thanks for watching.